In this session, I would like to discuss the introduction about Apache Pig. That is, what is history of pig, why we need to use the pig, and what are applications of pig, and what is the architecture of pig. So those are the concepts we have to discuss in this session. Okay. So later on, after some sessions, we can also discuss the differences between Apache Pig and Apache Hadoop, are also called a pig versus MapReduce, and the differences between pig versus Hive, and differences between pig versus SQL. We can also see the differences between pig with some another frameworks. So before discussing the differences, first we have to understand what is meant by the pig and what are the features, what are applications, what is architecture of pig, why we need to pig, what history of pig, all those things we have to discuss in this session. So first let us see the introduction to pig. It is a tool or a platform which is used to analyze large sets of data, representing them as a data flows. Representing them as a data flows. Okay, so the pig can be used to analyze large sets of data. If you want to analyze huge amount of data, huge amount of data, that huge amount of data we have to also analyze by using the pig. As like Hadoop MapReduce, we can also analyze a huge amount of data by using the pig. But if you want analyzing that huge amount of data by using the pig, we have to representing that data as a data flows. We have to representing the data as a data flows. Next, we have to see what is meant by the data flows. Okay, so in MapReduce, we have to call it as data processing, whereas in pig we can call it as data flows. Okay, so how we can, why we can call it as data flows, we have to understand in the next sessions. Okay, just remember this point, data representing them as a data flows. And generally this pig is used with Hadoop. We can perform all the data manipulation operations in Hadoop using Apache Pig. Okay, that means we can also Apache Pig on top of the Hadoop. On top of the Hadoop. Clear? So now we can also perform all the data manipulation operations, either for creating or deleting or updating such type of manipulations. What type of manipulation we want to performing? All type of manipulations we can also perform using Pig also in Hadoop. Clear? To write data analysis programs, if you want to write data analysis programs, Apache Pig provides one high-level language that is called as Pig Latin. Pig Latin. Clear? That means how we are right solving a problem using the Hadoop by using the MapReduce. Likewise, also to write the solution to a particular program using the Pig. If you want to write a program, or if you want to write the solution to a particular problem using a pig, so in the pig we have to use one high level language that is known as a Pig Latin. A Pig Latin scripting language is used to write the logic of a particular program. Again, I have to repeat, Pig Latin scripting language is used to write the logic of a particular problem. Clear? So now that is Pig Latin language is used. Clear? Now what will happen after writing the Pig Latin scripts? So internally we are just write the Pig Latin scripts for solving the problem, but all the scripts are internally converted to the MapReduce tasks. MapReduce tasks. Clear? So here we no need to write, we no need to converting the scripts into MapReduce tasks. Okay, so all the scripts are internally or automatically converted into which one? MapReduce tasks. Okay, by the component called as pig engine. By component called as the pig engine. The role of pig engine component is the pig engine can take the input is pig lattice script. The pig engine takes the input is a pig Latin script. After taking the pig Latin script as input to the pig engine, now the pig engine converting the script into which one? MapReduce jobs. MapReduce jobs. Clear? So that accepts the pig Latin script as input and converts these scripts into which one? MapReduce jobs. That means in the abstract way, in the high level way, we are just write the pig Latin script, but internally that pig Latin scripts are executed as a MapReduce tasks. Just we are write the pig Latin scripts, but internally those pig Latin scripts are executed as a MapReduce tasks. The conversion from pig Latin scripts to MapReduce jobs takes the responsibility by the pig engine. Take the responsibility by the which one? Pig engine. Okay, that is the brief introduction about the pig. Okay, so now why we need Apache pig? Why we need Apache pig? Okay. There are so many advantages of Apache pig to use for solving different type of problems. The main advantage to use the pig is the programmers, those who are not good at Java programming. So in the previous sessions, we are discussing the MapReduce programs. All these MapReduce programs we are writing by using the Java programming. So the programmers, those who are not good at Java programs, are those are struggle to write the solution to a particular tasks. Okay. Then such type of programmers. Okay. So using Apache pig. Clear? So those who are not good at Java used to struggle working with Hadoop, especially while performing MapReduce tasks. Now Apache pig is a rule for all such programmers. So if the programmers do not strong with Java programming to write Hadoop MapReduce tasks, okay. So to such type of programmers, Apache pig is a good scripting language to write the solution to the different tasks. Using Apache pig Latin, programmers can perform MapReduce tasks easily without having to type complex code in Java. That means using pig Latin script, we may write the solution. of a particular problem for solving the complex problems, or to solving the complex data. Okay, so to perform MapReduce tasks easily, Clear? And Apache pig uses multi-query approach, where we're reducing the length of the code. For example, this is one of the another advantage of Apache pig than compared to the Apache MapReduce, Hadoop MapReduce. Clear? So it provides, Apache pig uses multi-query approach. By using this multi-query approach, within a less lines of code, we may solve the problems than compared to the Hadoop MapReduce program. Hadoop MapReduce program. For example, an operation that would require you to type 200 lines of code in Java. If you want to perform a particular operation in Java, okay, that may take 200 lines of code. But the same operation we will also perform in Pig with just 10 lines of code. With 10 lines of code. Okay. So ultimately, Apache Pig reduced the development time by at most 16 times. By at most, how much times? 16 times. Just like, for example, if you taken as Hadoop word count program. So to write Hadoop word count program using MapReduce, to write the mapper code, driver code, producer code. Almost all these three files around contains 100 around 100 lines. That is Zoom. But the same problem we may also solving in Apache Pig by using maximum 5 lines of code. Maximum 5 lines of code. The same word count program. If you want to count the number of words in a text file, if you want to write the MapReduce program to the word count, we have to write almost 100 lines of code in MapReduce. But the same problem we may also solving using Apache Pig by writing only 5 lines of code. Most 5 lines of code. That means within a few lines of code, with a few lines of code, we can solve the problem by using Apache Pig. There is another advantage of Pig. The first advantage is the programmers, those who are not strong in Java, such type of programmers, Apache Pig is good. And the second advantage is it is a multi-query approach. Within a few lines of code, we can write the solution to given problem compared to the MapReduce. Next one is Pig Latin is just like, yes. Pig Latin is just like SQL language, structured query language. How we are write the commands or the queries in SQL. The similar way we have to write the Pig Latin scripts. Later on we have to understand. Here the Pig Latin is similar to SQL like language. It is easy to learn Apache Pig when you are familiar with SQL. If you are good at SQL, then we can easily write the solution to the different types of problems. Next, Apache Pig provides many built-in operators such as joins, filters, ordering, okay, some of the aggregation operations that we are discussing in SQL. So what type of operations we are using in SQL? Almost all the operations we are also using in a Pig also. In addition, it also provides nested data types like tuples, bags, maps that are missing from the MapReduce framework. Okay, it can also provide some data types. We're having tuple data type, bag data type, map data type. Later we're discussing what are the data types in Pig. Okay, so the main data types of the main data types in Pig is tuples, bags, and maps. Okay, that is we're discussing in the next sessions. So these are the reasons